Okay, I'm currently having startup issues with my car. Um, like it turns off while it's on after like 15 minutes, and if I drive it like for 15 minutes, it turns off on the road. So basically, what I've done right now, distributor is like 3 months new, 3 months old. The ICM is new. Coil, I already checked the voltages, and they all four connections on there. They all have the same k-ohms or whatever it's called. So pretty much everything's new. ICM, distributor, coil, spark plugs are all new. Cables, spark plug cables are all new right now. And also the fuel pump we replaced it like 3 months ago because that was the problem before. But now whenever I'm gonna try and turn on, this is the effect it's gonna do. Hopefully it does it this time. And I don't know if you can hear the fuel pump prime. Yeah, you hear that. And then if I leave the key, see if it does it now. Just watch the RPMs. Hopefully it does it. Give it a second. Let's try this again. And the car's not even hot. It's cold. The last time I turned it on was like 3 hours ago, and it ran for like 25 minutes, almost 30 minutes. Now it won't even start at all. Let's do this another try. Turning the key off, turning it on. You can hear the fuel pump prime. It kind of wants to start. And see, look at the RPMs. Look at that. See, that's the fuel pump. See, it's by itself. Both of my hands are here, not even touching the car. Look at that. I don't know. It seems like there's some kind of shortage somewhere. Yeah, well, y'all saw it, guys, and tell me what idea y'all have. Thanks.